Everyone, this is Expert Designers team, and our team include me, Stella, and Leo, Junka, and Xiaofan. Here's our product website, Lonely M. You can see the logo up here. When you click on it on other pages, you can link back to this main page. But since we're already on the main page, it's not going to lead to anything. And you can see there are a couple of additional buttons at the head of this page, which are product, learn and support, and sign up and login page and sign up and login buttons. The sign up and login are gonna lead to the sign up and login page accordingly. We're gonna talk more about that later. The product, learn and support is gonna display some user manuals to help the users to quickly grasp what this website can do for them. And in the middle, you can see the logo Lonely M, and we chose this font just to have some designer vibe here. We may change it for our final product. And in the middle, you can also see our slogan, which is infinite interaction and the largest social network for U of M community, Go Blue. Our website is exclusive to UM community, which means only UM students can log in and use our website. And they can also interact only with UM students, and they can trust us on that. We will verify their identities. And for the lower half of the page, first we include a video. This is just a placeholder of one random video. After recording this, the introduction video, we're going to include this video on our main page. And at the bottom, you can see two, these are also placeholders, but these will supposed to be some customer comments on our website after some users have been using it. We're still in the developing stage. And we're back to the sign up and login page, because when you click on those two, they will lead us to the sign up and login page. When you click on sign up, it's the sign up page right here. And as mentioned, if you click on the Lonely M logo anytime, it will lead us back to the main page. And when you click on the login, it's the login page. So I'll go back and we'll start creating a profile by signing up. Here is our sign up page. At the header, you can see the logo Lonely M, which you can click on it and it'll lead us back to the main page. On the main content, you have you can input your username, email, password, and confirm your password that you just entered to create an account. You see which deliberately chose our font and the background color to be blue, to be Mason blue, just to boost up some event spirit. Here I'm just going to create a dummy profile to show you the process. So I'm gonna use the information of our team member Leo, an email, image, edu, password. That one more time, and here we click on the sign up. It will lead us to the profile page where we're gonna create everything in detail. So here's one more feature here is that if you have already created an account, you can just log in. We'll show that later when we create our profile. Sign up, and here's the profile page. To save some time, I've already input those information in advance. First is the name again, and the birthday and gender, and there's a drop-down list you can choose from. And you can choose to show your gender or not, and choose to which gender that you want to show your profile to. And the hub, and here we have the hobbies, pickup line, and personal description. Those are just places that to review more personal aspects of yourself, to find a better match, and also to start your conversation more smoothly. And in the course schedule, you can put your courses that you're taking right now, and this again is for better match. And you maybe find you might find some people that you guys are in the same class, but you guys never met. Here's the nice place to meet each other and start a conversation. And then if we click on the save, and this is our matching result page. Here are the 3 people that we matched for the personal Leo. And here at the bottom of the page, there's the next button, which means which allows the user, the persona, to choose to see a different badge if he is not entirely satisfied with the matching with 3 matching results present. Here, because he is a persona, the card is also showing, but it doesn't have a chat or profile page or stories button. Instead, there's an upload story button, which allows him to post any posts or stories that will show others. Here are the 3 people that were matched for him. Let's take a closer look at each functionality, the chat, profile page, and stories. First, the profile page. This is the profile page for Stella, and these are basically information that was shown on the profile card in the previous page. The name, gender, birth date, hobbies, pickup line, and personal description. And down here we have more information for the persona to explore about her. We imported the Instagram and Spotify API to show the posts of her and some music that she'd like to listen. Basically, he can explore more about her interests and her personal life. He can maybe discover some mutual interest to decide to move along with her or move on to other people. More information, more exposure, also these info about her can also be a good conversation topic if he decided to chat with her eventually. And also down here, we also have the course schedule because our website is designed for only UMich students exclusively. So everyone should have a course schedule, but as for her, she didn't choose to upload one, so it's blank for now. But for other people, this place should show the course schedule of that person, so they can discover if they have taken one class together, or if they're taking one class together, or they have taken some mutual classes before, which means they can open a conversation again about this mutual topic, and they can also discover some mutual places to meet up based on the schedule. And yeah, this is pretty much all the information for the profile page. If we go back, we can explore more about another button, the stories button. So this is our stories page. This is just the background image Stella chose. And here is her pickup line as usual. And here are her 3 posts that she posted on our website using the upload stories button like we showed for the persona. Like shown here, she posted about some steak, some drink, and some paintings. And again, the persona can learn more about her and maybe decide to open a conversation based on those posts that she will possibly be more interested. And eventually, we have the chat button, which will allow the persona to open a conversation with the matching person. So it's again a pop-up window, as shown here. Here's her name and the profile image. This usually will be showing the profile image, but the Stella, she didn't choose to upload one, so it's just going to be the default image. And here's saying now we can chat. That is the default message, which means the start of the conversation, and the persona Leo can choose to type anything in the text box, and can also choose to upload any emoji or memes through the smiley face button. That's our emoji or memes functionality. Yeah, that's pretty much all we can do on the matching page. Let's exit it out. And also, we use UDP socket to receive and respond, which also means the messages will be cached and stored. So even if you exit the page, the messages will be stored, and Stella can respond at any time. Yeah, this is pretty much all we have for the matching page. Some of the major challenges that we encountered with the matching algorithm. We first tried to start with some machine learning techniques using the KNN, K nearest neighbor algorithm, but we couldn't get enough number of responses from our questionnaire. We initially sent out about 200 questionnaires for people to fill out, but we only were able to retrieve very small portion of them. But even like 200 is not very enough for training the model. So we decided to change our algorithm just to using. We decided to convert the hobbies, pickup line, personal descriptions as vectors and use vector space model instead of to just find out similarities between different people's vectors of hobbies, pickup line, and personal description. And the result is right here, and it works just fine for us. And yeah, that's all we have for our Mobian matching website. We have implemented some functionalities that we desire, but there will be also some places that can be improved. For example, we can create maybe some like buttons or some more features instead of just the matching. But yeah, that will be all. Thanks for listening.